everybody, it's Vicki from Minerva and welcome to our gift guide series. So this video is one of 3 videos where we're taking a look at some gorgeous gifts for sewers and to give you some inspiration on things you could buy for your friends and family that are sewers, or you might want to send it to friends or loved ones as a not so subtle hint of things you'd like this year. So this particular video we're looking at mid-range kind of price point gifts. So all these gifts are under under £50, but they're not as low priced as the gifts in our under £15 video. So we're looking at things between basically £15 and £50 in this video, so nice kind of mid-price range, and we've got lots of different things to look at, lots of variety. So yeah, let's get stuck into it. So the first gift I think we're going to look at is this beautiful sewing gift set from Hemline. So this is packaged in like a craft card packaging, which I think is really lovely, very kind of on trend, and you get I think it's 5 different items in the kit. So you get a lovely pair of embroidery scissors, and when I say embroidery scissors, so for sewing, they're great for snipping threads and just all those kind of more detailed things. They, the type of scissors you just have on hand next to you at the sewing machine, and they're a really beautiful ornate design, really pretty. You get a metal thimble, you get a magnetic back retractable tape measure, which I always think is really handy, and you get a heart-shaped pendant thread cutter. So that is, you can thread that onto a chain and wear it actually as a necklace whilst you're sewing, and it means you've always got a thread cutter on hand. So I think it's great as you're like moving around your sewing space, because you've always got it there handy. I think we're all guilty of thinking, where are my scissors? They're never where you need them, but with that you've always got a thread cutter on hand. Or if you do crafts on the sofa, they're always handy to have there as well. And then you get some hand sewing needles that come in a really cute little glass tube that are just all the packaging and the design details on the actual items in this are really lovely. So yeah, that would be my first choice, and I think that would be lovely for a beginner to sewing, or somebody that's maybe has everything really, because I don't think you can ever go wrong with having extras of these things, and these ones are just really pretty ones, so lovely to add to your sewing kit. Next up we've got the Millwood spool holder. So I will just get this out of the packaging so you can see what they look like. So this is a rack to be able to store all your threads on. Now in the actual packaging it does come, oh sorry, there it is, already on there. So we have the little stand that folds out, so you have the option, you could either close that flat and hang it up against a wall, or you can fold it out and actually stand it on a tabletop. Now with these, so this one actually holds 60 different spools of thread, and I think they make a lovely kind of decoration in your sewing space, having all that colour on display, but also really practical because you can just easily see what you've got. I'm definitely one of those sorts of people that are very guilty of just shoving everything in a box or a drawer and never being able to find the thread I want, so this would definitely be a good one for me. And with these as well, we do actually offer these stands in 4 different sizes, which are all available on our website. So if you want something a little bit smaller or an even bigger one, yeah, we've got the size that'll be right for you in your sewing space. So yeah, I think that's a really good option to help organise a sewer's thread collection. So next up we have, this is the Sidewinder tool from Simplicity. Now this is a really popular tool here at Minerva, so I thought I wanted to include it in this gift guide. And it's a battery powered portable bobbin winder. So basically what that means is you can wind bobbins of thread from your big spools without even needing to go to your sewing machine. So for somebody that you want to kind of plan ahead on your projects, or you want to be able to do this job in another room, or you want to be able to, it's portable so you can take it anywhere with you. It's just a really kind of nifty tool to have in your sewing space. Yeah, and it's only a small little tool as well, so it's not as if it's going to take up loads of space. Next up we have, so this is just one of many options we have on the website of our gorgeous gift boxes from Gutermann Threads. So this particular one includes 10 different spools of thread in a rainbow of colours, and you get some Prim hand sewing needles and some Schmetz machine sewing needles as well. So you know, it's the type of thing that every sewer needs in the kit, but just presented beautifully in a gift box like this. And we do have lots of different ones. We have the full range in fact available on Minerva, so we've got all different colour options. You know, you can go for like a neutrals pack, a brights pack like this one, lots of others, and then there's you know, there's just lots of different options. So if you do check those out on our website, yeah, they're all in the gift ideas section. Next up we have this beautiful scissor set from Millward. Now this set includes 2 pairs of scissors. So you have a pair of tailor shears which are 10 inches or 25.5 centimetres long, and then you have a small pair of like thread snips which are a really pretty stork design which are 4.5 inches or 11.5 centimetres long. And what I really love about these is they're amazing quality from Millward. You know, been going for, I think it's over 100 years, isn't it, the Millward brand. So yeah, you know you're getting amazing quality, but they're absolutely gorgeous as well. So the handles on both of these have this like oil rainbow kind of finish, so they shine all different colours, and I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. And I think you know, for any sewer, you know, a pair of new fabulous quality scissors would be a fabulous gift, but why not make them extra beautiful like these? I think that's bound to put a smile on the face of whoever opens those. Next up, so this gift I think would be fantastic for someone who's new to sewing, who's just starting out, or for anybody who really loves kind of vintage style sewing, because this is it's actually a sewing kit from the Simplicity Vintage range. So it's on the actual sewing box itself, it has all these beautiful Simplicity vintage pattern illustrations all around the box. It's absolutely beautiful. So the box itself, let's have a look inside. So it's like a sort of like an ovalish shaped box, has this really lovely faux leather handle and then a little clasp at the front. So when you open it up inside, so it's all black on the inside, really lovely. So the sewing box itself, so it has this little tray at the top, and then it has another sort of like sectioned off bits in the bottom there. So lots of little compartments. And then you actually get all these sewing goodies included as well. So you've got some pins and a needle threader. You've got an unpicker in there as well, which we all need. You have a little pincushion. You have some thread snips. You've got a tape measure. You've got a thread ring and some safety pins. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 different threads as well, one of them being a lovely little sparkly one. So yeah, some really good basic kind of thread colours in there as well. So yeah, I think it's a real, you know, it's got your basics in there, but it's got lots of space to be able to add your own things as well. And I just think it's a beautifully decorated box that I think any sewer would absolutely love to receive that. It's a really special gift. Next up, we've got something that I think is probably for you more experienced, or you know, somebody that just wants to step up the sewing game and really help themselves get professional results. So this is the Millward wooden point presser and clapper. So let me open this up so you can see what the tool actually looks like. So this is it. So you can see it's like a block of wood with this little handle on the top. So this is actually a 2-in-1 tool, so it's a point presser and a clapper all in one. So you use the point pressing handle to flatten smaller areas, so things like collars, cuffs, lapels, and you'd ensure that they're placed with the seam the wrong side up and apply steam generously. So it's made out of a certain type of hardwood that basically absorbs the steam, and it basically means you get the absolute crispness of pressing when you use a tool like this. Now the bit that I use the most at home is the base clapper, which is this bit at the bottom, and this is ideal for setting seams, pleats, creases, flattening bulky seams, and it just leaves you with a really super crisp finish. So you would basically you know, press your seam or whatever as normal, hold this down for a few seconds until the seam's gone, and when you lift it up, the crispness of that seam is fabulous. They're really the most satisfying tool to use ever. I really highly recommend getting one of these if you haven't used it before. Yeah, really good investment piece, that one, and they're super quality. Yeah, the wood finish on those is just absolutely beautiful. Next up, so we have, this is a really practical but really good tool to have in your sewing kit. So I think that's a really good gift. And it's actually a scissor sharpening tool from Fiskars. So it will sharpen any kind of standard or razor edge blades, left or right-handed scissors, doesn't matter. And basically all you do is, in the tool itself, it has two little slits here. And what you do is you open your scissors, slot the blades into those holes, and then basically sort of open and close your scissors and run the blades along those little slits, and it sharpens your scissors back up. I think, you know, we obviously we invest quite a lot of money in our scissors as sewers, and you know, it really is a good idea to try and keep them in tip-top condition. Obviously the best way to do that is to just use them on fabric and nothing else, but you know, occasionally you know, if they might get used on something else, or you know, if you've cut sequin fabric, for example, or you know, a fabric that has any kind of coating on it, sometimes that can just dull the blades. Or you know, if you've been using your scissors for decades, you know, eventually at some point they will need a sharpen. And you know, what a fantastic way to do it. You know, rather than throw them out and get a new pair, why not invest in a scissor sharpener, and then you can sharpen all the blades on all the scissors in your house, and you know, really get the best out of them. So yeah, I think that's a really good, quite practical gift, but a really good one. Next up, I've got something for the embroidery lovers. So if this is something you're interested in getting into, you know, this year, I think this is a really lovely pack to start with. So it's a pack of 100 skeins of embroidery floss, and it's really lovely quality. It's from the Trimmets range, and you just get a really good selection of colours. There's 8 meters on each skein of thread. So for somebody that's starting out with embroidery, you know, it's a really good place to start. It's going to give you so many different colours to work with. So you know, whatever stitch design you want to create, I'm sure you'll be able to do it with the colours that come in this pack. And then last of all, so the last gift I've got in this category is this wonderful, again, I think it's a tool set, and again, I think this is definitely something for the more experienced sewers, or really anybody that wants to start having a go at drafting your own patterns or making fit adjustments or tweaks to existing patterns. So this is the Tailor's Rule 5-piece dressmaking ruler set from the brand So Easy. Now it's a little bit difficult for me to show you this on camera because, as you can see, the rulers themselves are see-through, which is great for using them because you can see your fabric underneath, and you know, you might want to be really precise on the placement, but obviously on camera that's really quite difficult for me to show you what they look like. So we'll make sure we insert some images so you can see the 5 different shapes that you get included. But yeah, I think it's a really good sort of like beginner's kit, if you will, to starting out. And yeah, you've got lots and lots of different options with this to start having a play with in terms of drafting and tweaking your own patterns. So that's all the gifts I've got out to share with you in this video. I hope you enjoyed taking a look through those. Just also to mention though, if you're still struggling and you're just not sure what to buy that sewer in your life, we do also have Minerva gift cards available, which I personally think are the best gift ever, because you know, that means that the recipient can, you know, choose whatever they like to spend it on our website in their own time, at their own pace. You don't even need to spend the gift card all at once. You know, they can spend it just bit by bit as they want to. So yeah, I think that's a really good option as well if you're just not sure. And with our gift cards, we don't send anything in the post. They are digital gift cards, so they are sent through to you electronically via email, but you do have two options with them, which I think is great. So you can either choose to have the gift card sent to you, the person that's buying the gift card, and then you could, you know, print that off or email it to the recipient when you want to, or what you can do is actually choose the date and the email address that it's sent to. So for example, if you wanted to buy a gift for Christmas, you know, you could choose to send it on the 25th of December, or if you wanted to, you know, for somebody's birthday or whatever occasion, you can choose the day and you know, and who that gift card is being sent to. So that's a really nice option if you are buying them for a gift, I think, as well. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you found that interesting and inspiring, and that's give you lots of ideas on things you can buy as gifts for the sewer in your life, or you know, as a you know, you could perhaps send this video as a not so subtle hint to your friends and loved ones, you know, with ideas of what they could buy you this year. As always with all the products I mentioned in these videos, we will tag them all below the video, so you'll be able to find them all really easily on our website. If you just scroll to the bottom of the video, you'll see all the products tagged, or you can also head to the gift ideas section on the Minerva website, and yeah, that's filled with even more gift ideas there as well, so we'll put a link to that below. So thanks very much for watching everyone, and do check out my other two videos of stocking filler gifts under £15 and our luxury gift guide video as well, which are both available to watch now.